Setting up Pixie has time and time again proven itself and how easy it is. There's been a lot of, I think, research and development in that. Previously, a lot of other products, I find, especially Wi-Fi ones, we have ongoing issues where a customer might have updated their internet provider or they've updated their phones and it just doesn't connect easily. The Pixie is a Bluetooth system, so once it's set and forget. Each switch talks it to itself and it doesn't clog up your Wi-Fi network. It's flawless in setting it up and pairing the devices, and it's quick and easy. It's not gimmicky in terms of how many times you have to press a button for something to talk to something, and it's very forgiving. Pixie fits really well with our business model. We like to offer a sort of high-end experience with us. We've got a good attention to detail with our projects. We do new builds, we do renovations, a bit of commercial, a bit of domestic. With Pixie, a lot of our customers are coming to us saying we want everything dimmed. You've got LEDs now, you've got downlights. There's a big emphasis on a lot of lighting. With dimming, it lets you adjust your mood. Pixie gives us that option that we can give a high-end finish by setting the lighting level at different times of the day to match the mood or the use of the lighting. So Pixie for us means that we've got a reliable product that we can install, walk away from, and know that it's going to be trouble-free for the customer. I'm really excited that Pixie, to me, they've picked up on all the pieces of an installation that we would need to integrate it to be a smart home. There's one product that I'm still looking forward to that is a sensor, which means you can put that in different situations and it can activate different scenes and be fully customizable, meaning you can have a sensor at your back door turning on floodlights around the front of the house, or you can change that sensor to then activate a different scene. So they're kind of adapting, they're bringing new products as there's been a bit of input from electricians on the field installing, seeing if there's a hole. But all in all, there's not many products I feel that they're lacking in. It's very powerful. There's a good application of a tunable LED. I haven't dealt too much with tunables. Previously, all you'd have is a dip switch, or you'd choose an LED to suit. So a dip switch meaning you can change it in the ceiling from cool white, warm white, daylight. That's more of a set and forget. With the Pixie's releasing a tunable LED strip, and I've actually installed it at home in my kitchen and in the bathroom. And what that means is I have a prep scene in my kitchen where I've changed my LED strip to come on at 100%, and it comes on as a cool white feature. Therefore, as task lighting, it's nice and bright, the color rendition's there. And then at night time, when we're finished cleaning and cooking in the kitchen, I then turn that, hit the scene, it goes to, I call it chill. It pulls all the lighting down and turns that strip from cool white to warm white. Takes the harshness out of the light, and same situation in the bathroom. My wife, she's doing her makeup. She doesn't want the warm color. She wants that correct color reproduction from the lighting. So that one I've tuned to daylight for makeup. Then at night time, I tune the LED strip to warm white, and I do it at like 3% at night. So it's a good night light for the kids. So an issue that we've come across more so in the eastern suburbs, especially sort of Woollahra, we've really come into this being a big problem for us. We do two houses, one on one side of the street, one on one side of the other side of the street. We've installed the exact same products, LED, dimmable. And in New South Wales, we have this really big problem with off-peak and dimming. And then what happens is when the off-peak ripple comes down the network, the LEDs will flash and they don't dim. So you get a flicker at night time, really annoying. And you might finish a brand new home and you can't guarantee that they're not going to get it. There are products that offer filters. One, they're expensive. Two, they're not reliable. So back to that house in Woollahra, one side of the street flickered at night time, the other side didn't, exact same products. Pixie's releasing something which is actually quite exciting. The only product that I know of that guarantees, with their SFI dimmer and SFI downlight, guarantees flicker-free dimming. There's no other company or product that can guarantee that flicker-free dimming and give you a piece of paper to prove it, that I can then hand on to the customer.